Welcome to a world of exquisite craftsmanship and innovative design. Introducing Garden Pearl Dome enclosures in India, the perfect way to experience the outdoors from the comfort of your own dome, all year round. These versatile portable enclosures can be tailored to suit your needs. Whether you desire a spa, private dining area, relaxation room, or even a work-from-home space, these domes will transform your outdoor environment. Installation is a breeze, as these domes can be easily fixed on a flat floor surface without the need for an expensive foundation. Need to relocate? No problem. These domes can be disassembled and transported to another site effortlessly. From pubs and hotels to care homes and residential gardens, these domes are a popular choice for commercial enterprises looking to monetize outdoor spaces. They also make a wonderful addition to any residential garden, offering a unique and reasonably priced alternative to permanent buildings.